This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days elf chocolate jackets, and this is how we make them, and this is what you'll need: green felt for the outer and back, a small piece of red felt, a small piece of yellow felt, and 4 sew-on bells. We'll start by adding our heat and bond. Cut out a piece of heat and bond big enough for your template, and then place it on the back of your felt and use the glue bit and place it down and iron into place. I've ironed my heat and bond onto the back of my felt and I've let it cool down. I'm going to take my template and place it on the paper side and carefully draw all the way around. I've drawn around my template and now I'm going to cut it out. That's my collar cut out, and I've repeated the whole process for the belt. Take the front of your chocolate jacket and your collar. Now peel the backing off and place it across the top. Line up the top edge and then iron into place. Now take your yellow belt, peel off the backing and place it about halfway down, and once again iron into place. I've ironed my collar in place and I've ironed my belt in place, and I'm now going to take it out of the sewing machine and using a scant 1/4 inch sew carefully across the collar. I've sewn across the top and I've also sewn on the belt. This is optional, it's up to you whether you want to do that or not. The next step is to sew the 4 bells into place. Carefully sew them on each of the 4 points. I've sewn my 4 little bells in and now we've nearly finished. So place your front on top of your back piece, line it all up and add some clips. I've added my clips and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine, use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew along to the bottom and stop, across the bottom and stop, and then back up and stop. I've sewn all the way around and that's my elf chocolate jacket all finished. All that's left is to add our chocolate and it's all finished.